Today we are working on Excel Lesson 2, Hiding, Unhiding Worksheets. So you should have this Department Budget Hide worksheet open. Select the Quarter 1 worksheet. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format, point to Hide, Unhide, and then Hide Sheet. Quarter 1 worksheet is now hidden. It's kind of like magic. Mark that as answered. Go to 2. Right click the Quarter 2 worksheet tab and then click Hide. Next, hide all the remaining worksheets. Repeat step 1 with Quarter 3 and Quarter 4. Right click, Hide, right click, Hide. Click OK to close the message box. I didn't have a message box. Let's see what the message box. A workbook must contain at least one visible worksheet. To hide, delete. Oh, I skipped this step 3. Attempt to repeat step 1 with the company worksheet. So right click and hide. There's our box. Click OK to close the message box. Got ahead of myself. Mark that as answered. Go to step 2 or 3. Unhide each of the hidden worksheets. Excel does not allow you to unhide more than one worksheet at a time. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format, point to the Hide, Unhide, and click Unhide Sheet. Note if a workbook does not have any hidden worksheets, that Unhide Sheet menu is grayed out, so you wouldn't be able to click it. The Unhide dialog box displays a list of all worksheets currently hidden in this workbook. Select the Quarter 1 worksheet and click OK. Mark as answered. Go to the next one. Use the right-click method to display the Unhide dialog box. So right-click, Unhide, select Quarter 4 and click OK. Repeat steps 1 and 2 for the Quarter 2 and Quarter 3 worksheets. So right click, Unhide, Quarter 2, right click, Unhide, Quarter 3. The workbook is now restored with all sheets showing in their original sequence. So mark that as answered, submit, submit results, and this completes Hiding, Unhiding Worksheets.